आजादी है हक हमारा, आजादी है हक हमारा, आजादी हम लेके रहेंगे, आजादी हम लेके रहेंगे। के ये रास्ते हम नहीं मानते, जुल्म के ये ज़ाब्ते हम नहीं मानते, शिद्दत मांगे आजादी, बेटे मांगे आजादी, है प्यारा नारा आजादी, है प्यारा नारा आजादी, मिलके बोलो आजादी। तुमने क्या पाकिस्तान की रियासत इस सवाल का जवाब देगी? आजादी तुम्हें देना पड़ेगी, आजादी तो तुम भी सुन लो, आजादी तो तुम भी सुन लो, आजादी है हक हमारा, आजादी अगर तुम ना दोगे आजादी हम छीन के लेंगे, आजादी तुम्हारे बाप से लेंगे, आजादी आजादी मेरे जोर से बोलो आजादी, मेरा धीरा आजादी, मेरे धीरा बोलो आजादी, ललकार के मार।
We are here today in front of the Minar-e-Pakistan, which is the venue of a horrible, horrendous case incident where a woman was mobbed and molested by more than 400 people. We are here to protest that. We are here in anger. We can't take that anymore. Women of Pakistan are equal citizens and have to be treated as equal citizens. We hold the state and the government responsible for creating an environment where women are not safe. Our daughters are not safe, our women are not safe, no, regardless of where they are. We are here to protest that.
हक हमारा आजादी है, हक हमारा आजादी, इस जबर से लेंगे आजादी, डायलॉग करके लेंगे आजादी, लड़के लेंगे आजादी, हम सब क्या मांगे आजादी, ये बहनें मांगे आजादी, ये बेटे हम सब क्या मांगे आजादी, सब मिलके बोलो आजादी।
And we need to understand this one thing, that how patriarchy is deeply entrenched within the Pakistani society, and not just the Pakistani society, but at the international level too. Now, what we need to integrate within the society and within the minds of the people is the fear and the consequences after which they will be held accountable for whatever they do, no matter what. Even still standing here, I could see that sight within the eyes of the people, that how they want to victimize someone out here. You need to understand that we are going to call you out at every level and at every step, no matter what. The people, the authorities and the minister out there are going to hear our voices, and we are not going to leave you. We want death by trial for all of those who are responsible, for those 400 men and for all the men out there who need to understand that the rule for women will come, and they need to be free by your shackles and whatever you are doing out there within the society.
Today we have gathered here to protest on the recent incidents of harassment, public harassment against women in different parts of Pakistan, especially in Lahore. And this protest is basically aimed to raise our voice that the state has a role to play to discourage and stop this kind of violence and act of violence. We are addressing state, we want state to intervene, and also that we want society to understand that this violence will destroy everything, all the fabrics of the society. So we have to bring some sanity in the society. If women are not safe in public spaces, nobody is safe there. So this is the basic indicator that a nation, if cannot give respect to women, is not a civilized nation. So that is the protest here, that we want that women should feel secure by all means, by the act of state and by the act of society, and there should not be any harassment at all in public sphere.
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी।
और उसके शऊर को और उसकी मेहनत को सलाम पेश करती हूँ। ये मेरे हाथ में न सिर्फ एक मुतालबा है, एक सवाल भी है।